Sairam. My name is Tanja Goldberg, and since 2016 I was blessed with conducting overseas Christmas choir every year. This year in choir we have people from almost 30 countries all over the world. We have around 280 people, and we have very lovely situation here because there is a lot of Russians. In the same time, a lot of people from Ukraine and from many other countries, which is a unique choir in this sense in the world. Of course, many people comes to Prasanthi because I believe it's the best place to celebrate Christmas. On the 100th birthday of Swami, we will do another celebration, and then a lot of people from all over the world will come and join us and sing for divinity. We are all united with different religions, but with the same love for Swami. This year we are going to have our presentation on the 24th of December in the afternoon. So please join us. Thank you, Sai Ram.